Today, I'd like to share a few thoughts on why it is so important to keep a pulse on the newest technology in healthcare, and in this case, computer-assisted coding and CDI solutions. Many healthcare organizations adopted CAC to prepare for ICD-10 back in 2015 to buffer out any expected productivity loss due to the significant increase in new codes. Today, many of those organizations continue to utilize the same solution that they selected years and years ago and haven't had a chance to see what's new because it's working just fine. But many of the leaders in HIM and revenue cycle that I speak with tell me that they aren't all that satisfied with their current CAC solution. They tell me that they have not quite seen the efficiency gains that they were promised or the return on investment that they expected, yet they are choosing to stay with their current vendor because it's easier. And hey, I get it. We are all busier than ever. And quite frankly, implementing a new CAC and CDI solution isn't necessarily a walk in the park. But I think that the real question is does the convenience of not assessing what else is out there and sticking with the same vendor outweigh the benefits and the return on investment that you can expect from newer, more advanced technology? In other words, do the expected benefits of making the switch outweigh the pain to change? So let's talk about those potential benefits when upgrading your CAC solution. For one, accuracy. This is the biggest one that I hear from leaders. The CAC engine that they purchased long ago didn't quite have the accuracy that newer solutions have today, and therefore many coders did not initially trust the code suggestions and would manually input their own codes. As a result, organizations are still suffering from a legacy NLP engine that was never properly tuned, and it learned the wrong habits. So one benefit you can definitely expect with new CAC solutions is, of course, more accurate code suggestions. And this is because new solutions use advanced AI and machine learning to suggest codes and to train the engine on how to get smarter with each patient chart that it encounters, tuning itself in the background to understand your organization's unique documentation styles and your patient population. So to say that accurate code suggestions are important is an understatement, because now you can not only expect improved productivity during the coding process, but you can also expect other things such as fewer denials, fewer AR days, and a decreased discharge not final coded, just to name a few. Okay, next up on the benefits list, collaboration. Back when CAC first made its big debut, CDI was not quite to the point that it's at today. Therefore, many of the legacy CAC products did not have an embedded workspace for CDI. As a result, CDI would work from a standalone CDI system or utilize Excel or other applications to complete their work. And naturally, the lack of collaboration between coding and CDI led to items slipping through the cracks or even a high rate of mismatched DRGs. So now, with new CAC solutions, the CDI platform is directly integrated into the CAC system, offering coding and CDI teams a fully collaborative workspace and the opportunity to work together and communicate in ways that were not previously available. This has certainly allowed organizations to become more proactive, reduce duplicative efforts, and improve their coder and CDI agree rates. Okay, what else is a benefit? How about reporting? Reporting seems to be one of the biggest hot buttons that I hear from leaders when it comes to CAC. They always want to know what kind of reports that they can pull, and for good reason. But oftentimes, they just don't have the access to the reports that they need in their current solution. So the sheer amount of reporting that is available in newer CAC systems is going to arm you with a lot of new data insights that were likely not available in your legacy CAC solution. These new reports will help you pinpoint areas of opportunity, as well as continue to demonstrate where improvements have been made and the overall impact that your new CAC solution has had on your coding and CDI outcomes. I could honestly go on and on and on forever about the benefits of upgrading to the newest CAC solution, but I figured I would spare you from my passion. But just one more to mention, and that is customization. Being able to customize every aspect of your CAC solution can literally take your coding and CDI processes to the next level, But that's actually a topic for our next episode, so stay tuned. As you can see, there's a lot of potential in moving to a more advanced system. But without doing your due diligence, you'll never know. So if you're looking for unbiased reviews of any healthcare-related technology, I would recommend CLAS as an excellent resource. CLAS is an independent ratings company that publishes both technology and vendor performance reports that are actually based on peer reviews and customer interviews and their feedback. Today, Dolby's Fusion CAC is the best-in-class award winner. If you are interested in upgrading your CAC solution or seeing what Dolby is doing differently, please shoot me an email or give me a call and we can set up a time to discuss in more detail. My contact information is listed on the screen and I would love to hear from you, so please don't hesitate to reach out. I hope I was able to spark some new inspiration with why it's so important to keep a pulse on what's new with CAC technology. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I look forward to hearing from you very soon.